Festive decorations were being carried out. Ornaments were being dangled on the walls. Rangolis were being designed. Fairy lights were being tangled into vine like hangings. Diyas and candles were being lit. Among these candles, there was one candle, bright orange in color and made of scented tangerine colored wax. This candle had an uneven surface and its base too was not flat. It was unsteady and the wax was unevenly sculpted. When all the other candles were being lit, this candle was left out because it couldn't stand properly. Each time the candle was balanced in a standing position, it would tilt and fall down. So, it was kept back in the candle box while the other candles were lit into bright flames. The following day, after the sunset, suddenly the electricity power went off. There was pitch black darkness in the sky. There was no candle or diya left to light up. All the candles were reduced to dollops of molten wax. When there was no option left, the imperfect orange candle was taken out of the candle box and lighted up with the support of a steel glass. Yesterday there were too many candles and diyas to offer light, but on this day when the light was needed the most, this unsteady candle turned out to be the only source of light. It didn't turn out to be as decorative like most other candles, but it certainly turned out to be purposeful when the light was needed the most. Similar to this lone candle, at times we might feel left out or discarded. We might feel worthless and purposeless. But each time this happens, it is worthy to remember that the source of light is within us. We might be imperfect, but when our light is needed the most by the Word, we will shine bright and light up the Word with our bright flame. In the short term, we may feel pitiful or melancholous at being left out or discarded, but if we persist being optimistic, a time will arrive when our light will be most needed despite of all our imperfections, and the onus will be up to us to light the Word. Patience, optimism, persistence, and self-acceptance are the keys. Whether it is our work or our life in general, these keys will help us deal with the dark and cold period of our lives. And when the time is right, our flame will glow and glitter the brightest, and our light will shine in its fullest, illuminating not only our personal world but also the world around us. So, don't be afraid to be the lone candle. Thank you.